Hello everyone, myself Mashood Ahmadani. In the starting period of a lockdown, I have given some project by some local pathological system, lab management system. Okay, I have in which I have to prepare a software for them, in which if a patient comes to them for doing any test for in the pathology lab, then the entry of that patient will occur and will be listed, and then after what will be after that during this video we will got to know that all. Okay, from now I want to first tell that the whole software is designed in Python language, and the framework is Django. Okay, from now I started to show you. I completed this project and submitted it on the local server. Okay, so if there will be no net, the advantage is that if there will be no net, then on the local server we will do for them. Okay, for example, see, first of all I want to go home at first. Okay, if a new patient comes, then there will be he will click there, a form will open in which all the requirement of the patient are needed. For example, name of the patient is Ravi and age of that is 32 years. Okay, there is the test. Okay, all types of tests are available here. See, CBC test, urine test, this type of test, hematology test, serology test, biochemistry test, in which blood sugar test are also available. We all know that blood sugar test and blood urea test. Okay, after that, which test will we want to do the patient? For example, if we want to check up for blood group, okay, blood group and hemoglobin. Okay, from there he will be selected, and male, reference by self, doctor, date, some other date. And after submitting this, I will go to the home page. Okay, and the home page there will be a test. Okay, and this test, the whole page will require the value of that test, whatever the user of the software checked there. Okay, after doing test, the whatever will be result here, it will enter. For example, hemoglobin this, ABO type of this something. Okay, RS type something. Okay, this will, and after submitting I will go to result page. Okay, and the result of this, see, this is the final result page. Okay, hemoglobin this value, ABO this. Okay, and after this, the doctor or the user of the software will print that page and give it to his patient. Okay, I want to show you some another test example. For example, if I want to edit that that patient ID, okay, then from, for example, blood and hemoglobin, I want to show you some test in which some internal where see, serum bilirubin. Okay, after submitting, I will go to the test to fill the result total. Okay, whatever will be result 34, and the direct. Okay, in range I will have to give in range, inside range, that there is a range 0.2 1.2, then give it 1, direct give it to 0.5. okay, after submitting, see, there is only two inputs we are taking, total and direct. After submitting this, we will go to the result page and see there is a 3 total output. Total and direct will be input there, and the indirect will calculated by this, that total minus direct is equal to indirect. See, it is already taken inside this software and give it to the final result. Okay, and some other test. First of all, go to home and edit there. In this, if any one of the test will want you to do, then you can do this. For example, DC differential count, take this vital test, okay, and uncheck this test. After submitting, go to the fun test to enter the value, whatever the outcomes will come. Now see, after putting this value, you can left any one of them blank, okay, you can left blank. See, after submitting, the final result will be shown in there. See, this, okay. So this is the project which is designed in Python language, and the framework is Django. Across 1.5 months it takes to complete, and after that I have submitted this software to that pathology lab. From that I have given a certificate. So thank you.